Hi, I'm Michela from Lifelong Learners.
Welcome to Lake Iseo, one of northern Italy's best kept secrets. Surrounded by rolling hills and alpine peaks, Lake Iseo blends natural beauty, cultural charm, and outdoor adventure into one unforgettable destination. At the heart of the lake lies Monte Isola, Europe's largest inhabited lake island. This car-free gem is perfect for a peaceful stroll, a bike ride, or sampling live fish in a family-run trattoria. Peschiera Maraglio is the main village on Monte Isola. With narrow alleys, artisan workshops, and stunning waterfront views, it's a delightful glimpse into traditional island life. In 2016, the lake made global headlines with the floating piers, an art installation by Christo that let visitors walk on the water from the mainland to Monte Isola. The legacy lives on in the local pride and artistic spirit. The town of Iseo is the main hub on the southern shore. Stroll along the lakefront promenade, enjoy a gelato, or explore the medieval old town and the 12th century church of Sant'Andrea. On the lake northern tip is Lovere, listed among Italy's most beautiful villages. With its vibrant waterfront, historic palaces, and art galleries like the Tadini Academy, it's a cultural gem. Sulzano is the main departure point for ferries to Monte Isola. This peaceful lakeside town also gained fame during the floating piers installation, and today remains a quiet and scenic base for exploring. Lake Iseo offers something for every outdoor enthusiast, from cycling around the lake to hiking panoramic trails or kayaking its calm waters. It's a playground for nature lovers. Just south of Lake Iseo lies the Franciacorta region, famous for its high-quality sparkling wines. Visit the local cantina, enjoy a tasting, and take in the vineyard views. It's Italy's answer to champagne. As the sun sets on Lake Iseo, we say arrivederci, but not goodbye. Whether it's nature, culture, food, or simply peace you are after, Lake Iseo will be waiting to welcome you back.